Welcome to today's news.
Bank of Baroda HR Recruitment 2025. Apply for 146 Senior Relationship Manager and other posts at bankofbaroda.in. Bank of Baroda is inviting online applications from candidates for the recruitment of Senior Relationship Manager and other posts. Eligible candidates can apply for the post on the official website of Bank of Baroda at bankofbaroda.in. Vacancy details: Deputy Defense Banking Advisor 1 post, Private Banker Radiance Private 3 post, Group Head 4 post, Territory Head 17 post, Senior Relationship Manager 101 post, Wealth Strategist 18 post, Product Head Private Banking 1 post, Portfolio Research Analyst 1 post. Eligibility criteria: candidates who want to apply for the post can check the educational qualification and age limit through the detailed notification on the official website of Bank of Baroda at bankofbaroda.in. Selection process: the selection will be based on shortlisting and subsequent round of personal interview and or any other selection method. The qualifying mark in interview or selection procedure will be decided by the bank. Application fee: the application fee is Rs 600 plus applicable taxes plus payment gateway charges for general, EWS and OBC candidates. Rs 100 plus applicable taxes plus payment gateway charges for SC, ST, PWD and women candidates. The payment can be made by using debit card, credit card, internet banking or UPI, etc. by providing information as asked on the screen. The transaction charges for online payment, if any, will be borne by the candidates. The candidates is required to pay the non-refundable application fee intimation charges regardless of whether an online test is conducted or not, and even if the candidates is shortlisted for the interview.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.